nya osumasia no benten bi ama na bomachi dom ama hoden dia, then it means that me na den then I should go on and what do it. O de men kwachiri kra yemfa na nado de ya esiye na enkra yese yakoto pass questions amamo montimi ampase first one mako mo house master ni fie mako twitwa ne board mu say pasa mu wia no san so camera de asimu so me why you can say even at the SHS level no cry ye mako am yenye den ye use phone. Then you had that audacity mo so camera de asimu so the president asem say basa. But he said, me brother, cannot. Nanka Sankrofon, they should have been punished. Me ye sure say punish you more. Anka by now, Sanyoma we know. A subeden, a better same free system, nim crank a subeden, a betty. Nan say yes, Sankophobia from say fancy comedy, you said then, what he can send basa. Nay, a quatin Kofuya, not a whole presidential candidate who was also doubling as the vice president of SY administration. No, no, I call Hagini Pano. What you say? Even though it be a hag now, the command no in relation to the AC no. But once a coincidence, no see mbreno out free prisoner now free cells I buy a pet. Obi abegin say you are in support with the person. I want the attitude or then. And I think that there be a crime as annual money here. It will not help us. And no be na akosui. This is the brother. This is the timer. Multimedia minister no establishes some sort of rapport be and our relationship be so nice. Na ma tinabi okosian be a minister me no crash how e be enya that kind of and am for sem no. Enya obi a na benya ne sa. But nipa kan say mo ankasa mo mra da bia ye ma ejuma bia woni code of conduct. Dia wo say wo ye any dia wo say wo ye den. Wo ye. Wo hwe omo code of conduct 8.1 section C. Or just say you were the girl was using unacceptable words, unacceptable and inappropriate words and when you so used to the minister. This tells the kind of person that she is. It just say even so hospital no be kwa him na was nka ode tema bi eye ntem kobo anipa na obetimi ayi nani ama no. What you say? Ebi ni dey see now no. You say your friend said this between the these guys is it face the Ghana movement or more party rough. Also, you could say yes, you a whole association president. No, so tiny. What tiny say? I could do last minute. You see your bad side. It is sometimes, I was saying, conform by yes, and your money, ye and near them. You punish you, but here's the case, sir. What punish you, me? Obons open ya obion also what the political rank. No, I bet not radio and a TV no can say, hey, I do a BC, man can watch it. I didn't think that you're more punishing the pay. Oh, ne abeda ni political topic. Na de bia ye kan wasem. Enti me de meka say what the girl did was wrong. Ana omo bisa ne say ye ma no niema miensa. Sa niema miensa no from ne service mu. Say ontimi nchire mu. Say niema miensa inti mema ye mpane show. I think say this minister na asem obam so be patch ma no de. Me ka me nkwa dia you should hold on. Normal association nankasa and dealing with her. A normal institution and dealing with her. And I believe, sir, Sanyo marketing kitten, so even Minister Nemu and dealing with her. Or not the baby or Casaqui, the BBH say, Economic Cranka, Ghana Health Service for Craque, you know, the man and coming there in Chasso. But I stand on the fact to say she should be allowed to be dealt with by the association and I said by the institution. I think, sir, institution is dealing with her. Next time, Obia the Bay, the oh, Casa, Obo, kind of us obey Obecasa. May say, and there, I'm as at now. Me see a phone coins na me show bi say waso anyoma me je edikosi fie ma no. But one time me nkora bobo na makwa fuo me ba akaka me madu fie nkora bobo so mbe gina mpo ma twam no da bi ba ko bobo na abom mu se tam e ka den ka nyoma me so ni nyina e bo phone me bu fie pa ma wolenti boot e hye me kranka me butu akora no endo achi na me hu say wa ba JHS na me ka story na che no nkora ni nyina hwe ni di na me say no I was say yes society na eden ye wom no ba ni nyina should start from the classroom enye bibia na ye betwe gu board so ama but the more wu nyini no you should learn them as obi a wo ye Ghana ni as obi a wo ye akani ye ni kwa ye fa so ye den ye tete ye until we should go by those your friends and beliefs no and our norms na ye the boy brand but your call wayward now I think it's getting too much and right your friends a teacher association platform back also na oba yes so I run naked and watch video Eddie sending the sports master. Just look at this. Why do you have to go this tangent? It's getting worse. You're more fry you're so innocent. They'll be polluted to the extent that one here I won't mean them.
What has happened to this book?
And your corner is too much.
Courtesy for boys and girls.
Just last year, mine be beton be home school. Pattern crano, they will not even learn. and cry no like this time no adesua e yam cry ya no cry nyame no e yam ya rough so obesua de pa no yeah everything is so cheap to the extent say e den di akra wo sura de ana ohunu ane antia me say e cry ya de in school mo me ya de ana cry ya de no hu say me bape fast obi abedwane because me mo ti ase say I'm a product of the society e ho na me go school man go school or private school bia ama yan ko me special training bia teachers for na ya benyina e be so mo no omo na ma me that training no enti I'm also capable of training them enti obi ahumi a obon say de o ya de what odi omo de from here enko na me bo abana na ko mu ti say de wo sa wasa ayi friends ayi ase ya ka say enko ne ye o say ti minya ye say pe na obi asuro have you seen it and I believe say nkasa nyoma no e almost every school a akasa discipline level no kebe ko nanim. And we should start and do something. Most especially from the home, the church, and then the school. We are doomed. Akra be no so innocent. No abe polluted system no.